In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can turn off a PS5 controller. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, what you need to do is look on your controller and hit the PlayStation button in the middle of the controller. This is going to open up a quick menu at the bottom of your screen. Simply go ahead and tab over and you're going to see an accessories section just like so. Select it and then find your controller in here and select it again, and you're going to see the option to turn it off. Simply go ahead and hit turn off and your controller should shut off right away. Now you can also use a second method if you want a faster one. If you just hold down that PlayStation button for about 10 seconds, the controller will actually shut off automatically. I'm not going to do that since I don't really need to turn off my controller, but either of those two options will work for you. Once again, either open up the quick menu and turn it off in accessories or just hold the PlayStation button until it powers off. But that's the full process. If you guys have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.